Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Angular. Today we are going to learn about the host listener. Host listener listens to the events on the host element and calls a method in response. It is similar to adding an event listener in the template but works directly at the host level. Okay, so here it is similar to adding the event in the listeners in the template but works directly at the host level. But when you're trying to use the host listener, it directly works at the host level. Example, listening for the click events on the host element. Let us enhance the previous example by adding a click event listener using the host listener. In the last video, we are adding the class by clicking on the button. Now, enhance the previous example by adding a click event listener using the host listener. Okay, so here you can see that we have a button, right? So here we have a host listener, right? Click, handle click, this dot active. Let's look into that one. So we have a template button, how it will work. Okay, so here we go with this component. I'm going to use it. Okay, in the component, I'm going to use this code. Let's see what will happen. Host listener, we need to add. Okay, so I'm going to add in the core. Okay, this is done. I hope they are resolved. Okay, component is ready to use. Let's have a look. Okay, fine. So when I click on the class active, inactive. Okay, the server is running, right? So let's understand the code, what exactly we have done. Okay, so the host listener, click, you can see that we have a host listener click. Okay, listens for the click events on the host element. So it will listen when the clicked, the handle click toggles the is active state and logs the result. The bound class active changes dynamically based on the is active. Okay, so console.log button is now this dot active or inactive. In the logs we can check also. Okay, so just click, now inactive, now active, right? So whenever you want to go with the host listener, what exactly it is, so let's again redefine it. Listens to the events on the host element and calls a method in a response. So simple line, it will listen to the events on the host element. So this is our host element, right? So it will listen to that events and calls a method in response. So here it will call a method in response. So in response, when I click on this button, it will call a method in response. So at the host listener, click when the button is click. So listen for the click events on the host element. So it will click, then it will call a method and return whatever the logic it is there. Okay, so this is what the host listener is. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. In the next video, we are going to learn about the host property in at the rate component. Okay, so what do you mean by at the rate host property? How the comparison will the host listener and the host binding? So we are going to learn in the coming series. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.